system, improved performance, of course, of the neurons. They're a CNS support cell, right? They're just kind of different looking than Schwann cells. Their Schwann cells are found outside. The microglial cells are very small glial cells. This word may not mean anything to you, but certain cells in the human body are engulfing cells. Phagocytosis means cell eating. And these are cells which are important, as you can see, for removing pathogens and debris and stuff like that in the central nervous system. Because the brain, remember, is isolated, the blood-brain barrier. So these microglial cells are important scavenger cells in the brain, removing, debris and fighting infection and stuff like that. So those are the microglial cells. And the last one of these things called ependymal cells. We'll talk about these on Wednesday. Your brain, believe it or not, is hollow. No offense, I'm not, we all have it, right? Our brains are filled with these structures called ventricles, which are just spaces, right? And they're filled with something you've probably heard of, cerebrospinal fluid. The cerebrospinal fluid actually gets circulated around the brain and spinal cord. The ependymal cells seem to be involved in the lining of the ventricles of the brain and helping move CSF around because they have little cilia on them. So they monitor the composition of cerebrospinal fluid and actually help circulate it. We really won't see any of them. I'll mention them to you again probably on Wednesday when we talk about the ventricles, the spaces inside your brain. So actually kind of good we have those spaces. It makes the brain much lighter. It weighs about 3 pounds. You can easily hold it in 2 hands. Easily hold it in 2 hands. So that's what the ependymal cells do. So that gives you all of them. Okay, all the support cells. You're going to have to learn the support cells. We were talking at the break a little bit about how you study for this class and that sort of stuff.